How to make a page, an image, and that look with a heading, make the text look better, and changing text size. So if we take this for instance, smaller so that more into the page. And we want it into a 2-column, as you can see over here. Got choice to a 2-column, a 3-column, however many columns you want, and that's all you have like so, and then you run it down. Okay, as you can see, my text box I had created too small. I can make it bigger like so. So if we zoom in, you'll see text is flowing, but it's not a font that we like. So you go controls, or you go look for your font. Want to play. I'm going to under just flip font speed. Now, if you a stickler for neatness, you see that you've got all these little orphans happening, widows, and hyphens, and drives you absolutely batty, and you want it tidy. All you have to do is go into your text tool. Okay, see this part here, click into there, highlight, and you see this here, it's on. All you do is you select off, and as you can see, it automatically takes all your hyphens. You can keep that off all your things, and it will never give you a hyphen. Okay, then want text to flow neater, that there's no gaps and everything like that. You got picture, word not too long. Okay, now you want a drop cap because most articles have drop cap. So again, you're going to go to text tool, you're going to highlight your first one, then you're going to go to this part here. That tells you you're going to the drop cap. This one tells you how many pieces you want to drop. Okay, highlight, and then you click it, 5, 6, whatever, turn it into a bold, and then you drop that. Okay, if you are wanting to do a heading, simple thing, you know, you just create your heading, make it the size you want, boldness you want, consistency of it you want, depending on whether you bold or not. Do you want it closer, create close text, want to bigger, that's the whole page, and the same thing with flag or synopsis of the whole place, everything. Again, do it to the font you want, or bold, get bold thing, fill it, hold the text, and center it, then got yourself a simple layout, and that's pretty much how you work it. Work it with your fonts, and that you click on your box, you go to text, change your font, go to the paragraphs and spacing. This one I showed earlier, and that's where you play with center, your adjustment, spacing, bullets or no bullets, all those kinds of exact same concept. Word as well as Excel and PowerPoint, those kinds of layouts are the same throughout most of the program. They're very easy to follow. And that's the end of today's lesson. If you have any questions, please